to the third period of Maths Unit 2. Buying banana. Savitri Kutti gave 26 rupees and Aisha gave 33 rupees to Suraj to buy bananas. How much did they give in all? Here Savitri Kutti gave 26 rupees. They gave 26 rupees as 2 10 rupee notes and 6 1 rupee coins. Aisha gave 33 rupees. 33 rupees gave 3 10 rupee notes and 3 1 rupee coins. Find how much did they give in all. Savitri Kutti gave 26 rupees and Aisha gave 33 rupees. This is the notes and coins Savitri Kutti gave to Suraj. 2 10 rupee notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 rupee coins, that total 26 rupees. This is 33 rupees gave Aisha. 3 10 rupee notes and 3 1 rupee coins. In Suraj's hand, how much amount? We find the total amount in Suraj's hand by adding this 26 rupees plus 33 rupees. By adding these two amounts, we get the total amount in Suraj's hands. First we add the 1 rupee coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1 rupee coins gave Savitri Kutti. 3 gave Aisha. Total 1 rupee coins in Suraj's hand is this 6 plus 3. You can know 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 1 rupee coins in total Suraj's hands. How many 10 rupees notes in Suraj's hands? 2 10 rupee notes from Savitri Kutti plus 3 10 rupee notes from Aisha. 2 10 rupee notes plus 3 10 rupee notes. 2 plus 3, you can know 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3, 5 10 rupee notes. 5 10 rupee notes. 5 10 rupee notes is equal to 50 rupees. 5 10 rupee notes is equal to 50 rupees. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 rupees. 50 rupees plus 9 1 rupee coins, 9 rupees. 50 plus 9. 50 plus 9, 59 rupees. In Suraj's hand, there is 59 rupees in all. Suraj go to the shop and buy bananas for 55 rupees. In Suraj's hand, how many rupees in total? Total in his hand there is 59 rupees. 59 rupees. He bought 1 kilogram of banana. The price of 1 kilogram of banana is 55. How many rupees does he have now? We find how many rupees does he have now? Look, Suraj bought bananas for 55 rupees. How many rupees does he have now? Savitri Kutti and Aisha gave total 59 rupees to Suraj. Suraj bought bananas for 55 rupees. How many rupees does he have now? അവൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ എത്ര രൂപ ഇപ്പോൾ ബാക്കിയുണ്ട് എന്നാണ് കണ്ടെത്തേണ്ടത്. നോക്കാം. Cash with Suraj 59 rupees. That is in this form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 rupee notes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1 rupee coins. Price of banana, that is 55 rupees. He should give 55 rupees to buy 1 kilogram banana. How he gave that amount? He gave 110, 210, 310, 410, 510. Now he gave 50 rupees. The price of banana is 55 rupees. Now for 5 10 rupee 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Look, this is the price. Notes and coins. Give to the shopkeeper. 5 10 rupee notes 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 rupees. This is now balance in Suraj's hands. How much it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in Suraj's hand there is 4 1 rupee coins only. That is 4 rupees. 4 1 rupee coins is equal to 4 rupees. The price of banana 55 rupees. That amount gave to the shopkeeper. Now in Suraj's hands there is 4 rupees. How many shells? Savitri Kuti and Aisha bought coconut shell for playing. I have bought 23. Savitri Kuti bought 23. Aisha and I have 14. Aisha bought 14. We find how many shells did they together bring. That is, we find the total shells they together bring. How we find? Look here. This is the coconut shells brought Savitri Kuti. Savitri Kuti brought 23 coconut shells. 10. In this group 10. 10 plus 10 20. 21, 22, 23 coconut shells brought Savitri Kuti. Aisha brought 10. This group of 10 shells and 4. 14. Aisha brought 14 shells. We find the total shells. How we find the total shells? We find the total shells by adding 23 plus 14 is equal to. How we add 23 plus 14? First we can add this single ones. Here 1, 2, 3 shells. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 shells. Total 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Here we add 2 tens, that is 2 tens plus 1 10. For total 1, 2, 3 tens. 2 tens plus 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. We find that is 30. 30 plus 7 is equal to 30 plus 7, 37. In total, they bring together 37 shells. How we add? We add 23 plus 14. How we first we add the ones single shells, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7 shells. Here 2 in Savitri Kutti's shells, there are 2 tens, group of 2 tens in Aisha's 1 10. Total together 3 tens, group of 3 tens, that is 30. 30 plus 7, that is equal to 37 shells. They together bought 37 shells. Here next, as we find the shells they together bring, that is 23 plus 14, we get 37. Work Maddappams. Savitri Kutti and Aisha, they made Maddappams with coconut shells, each trying to make more. Savitri Kutti made 21 and Aisha 16. Who made more? First we find who made more. Here Savitri Kutti made 21, 10, 20 plus 1, 21. Aisha made 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Aisha made 16. Who made more? That is very easy. Savitri Kutti made more. Savitri Kutti made more. From this we can very easily find Savitri Kutti made 21, Aisha made 16. So Savitri Kutti made more. Then the next question, how many more? How many more? That is 21 is how many more than 16? 21 is how many more than 16? 21 എന്നത് 16നേക്കാൾ എത്ര കൂടുതലാണ്? We find this, how much amount we add to 16 to get 21? How much amount we add to 16 to get 21? We add 1 to 16, that is 17, 2 18, 3 19, 4 20, 5 21. When we add 5 to 16, we get 21. So the 21 is 5 more than 16. The next question, how many appams did they make together? How many appams did they make together? That is total Maddappams. How many Maddappams did they make together? We find, look here, Savitri Kutti 21, Aisha 16. How we find the total Maddappams they made? 21 plus 16 is equal to, how we add? Here we add the single or ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6, that is equal to 7. 7. Here we add 110, 210 plus 110. 210 plus 110, that is equal to 10, 20, 30. 30. 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. First we add the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 6, 7. 1, 2 tens plus 1 10, 30. That is equal to 37. Here, how many appams did they make together? They make together 37 Maddappams. 37 Maddappams. Look here, mischief maker. ഒരു കുസൃതിക്കാരൻ അവരുടെ ഇടയിലുണ്ട്. അതാരാണ്? കുഞ്ഞുണ്ണി. Kunyunni mischievously ran over their Maddappams. 7 of them were crumbled. How many are left? Look here. Total they made 37 Maddapams. 37 Maddapams. Savitri Kutti made 21, Aisha 16. Total 37 Maddapams they made. Kunyunni crumbled 7. How many were left? We can crumbled 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we crumbled 7. We destroyed 7 from here. How many in balance? 10, 20, 30. How many were left? From 37 we destroyed or crumbled 7. The balance Maddapams are 30. This you can find by total 37 Maddapams minus 7 Maddapams crumbled. 37 minus 7, that is equal to, from 37 we take 7, the balance is 30 Maddapams left.